Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is for every 1688 Chinese shopping app user. Whether you are new on 1688 Chinese shopping app or you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, you need to pay proper attention to these three things you must not do if you don't want to get blocked on your 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is a live experience I'm here to share with you. So stay tuned to this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's dive in. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Then I'll go ahead and open my WhatsApp right here. So this person contacts me from my channel, just like every other person does. So I'm going to open up the content of the message so everyone can see. But before that, this is exactly what happened to the person account. And I will tell you why this is happening to them and what exactly you need to do in order to avoid this. And if this thing happened to you, what exactly you can do in order to recover your account back, if possible. So this is exactly the screenshot right here. You can see this account has been restricted from login. So if you do any of these three things I want to mention right here in this video, you are probably going to be restricted. And once your account is restricted in this category, you can no longer log in. And once you can no longer log in, it simply means that the account is gone and gone for good. So what are the three things? So I'm going to explain from the message content right here. Now, the first thing here, so you can see the message, the person right here. Good evening, sir. How are you doing? My name is Belasa. Please, I got your contact from YouTube. Please, I need your help concerning my 1688 account that just got restricted. I was chatting with a supplier on my 1688 app. I requested a live video, which the supplier sent, but could not view it. So after informing her, she asked if I have another contact information. I told her WhatsApp or WeChat. Immediately I typed this, I was logged out of my 1688 account instantly. Now I'm just knowing that WhatsApp is banned in China. Please, how do I recover my account? I have a lot of pending transactions. So here, this is my response right here, and they sent me this particular proof right here. And I decided to make this a video so that a lot of 1688 users will be aware of this. Remember, in the video, I made mention of three things. So you can see here, this is one of the first one here, WhatsApp. Do not ask any supplier or type any WhatsApp contact on 1688 Chinese shopping app. They have programmed the app in a way that even if you type just the word WhatsApp, your account will be locked forever. Or you type WeChat. This is because 1688 have experienced a lot of scam as a result of people doing transaction of the app. And as a result of that, they are trying to do a precautionary measure to make sure that people are not taken out of the platform. Whatever you want to do between you and the supplier have to be done within the 1688 app. Okay. Now, one of the first things you need to avoid is that don't ask for WhatsApp contact or WeChat contact from any supplier at all. You do not need that. That is why there is a chat box whereby you can use to communicate with the supplier. That is the only legal way you can chat with the supplier. And when you are chatting with them, avoid asking for WhatsApp contact. That's one. Two, avoid asking for Alipay. There are some suppliers, they say they will give you a discount, things like that, and they will ask you to make a direct transfer to Alipay, things like that. It is very wrong. If a supplier gives you a discount, there is a way you go about it without asking for their Alipay payment code or without you sending your Alipay payment code. It is now a violation of 1688 terms of agreement user that if any buyer send a payment code to any supplier to facilitate a transaction or purchase of goods and services on 1688, the personal account will be fully logged out and you will not recover back the account. So whatever transaction you want to do, make sure you carry out everything on the platform that is on 1688, whether you want to pay with your Alipay or you want to pay with your MasterCard or Visa card. Everything has to be done right in 1688. So this is the second one I want to explain to you right here. The very last one here is also bank transfer. Bank transfer is prohibited in doing business with supplier on 1688. Most especially if you are foreigners, you are not allowed to pay direct to any supplier or any manufacturer bank account. It is very totally wrong. So pay proper attention to this information if you still love your 1688 account, because once your account is restricted from logging in, the account is gone, and the Alipay account that has been associated to the account is also gone and gone forever. You cannot recover that kind of account back on 1688 as far as the Alipay is concerned. It's that simple. If you still have any question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.